Hello, my name is Danny. Good morning to St. Michael Elementary. Welcome back to KSTME Morning Broadcast. Today is Wednesday, February 12th, 2020, Day 4. Now for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Please welcome Shelby D. and Emerson E. from Mrs. Dulkey's class.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Not to Merrick.
Hello, my name is Merrick. Today's lunch is hamburger, cheeseburger, or breaded chicken patty on bun, shredded lettuce, diced tomato, onion, pickles, potato and pecans, mandarin oranges, fresh fruit. The weather today will be cloudy and snowy with a high of 30 and a low of -12. Tomorrow will be sunny with a high of 0. No birthdays today. Please welcome Mr. Hanson with character counts announcements.
Guys, come on in here. Good morning, STME. How we doing? I'm here today to talk about our character counts day and fairness, and I have both Nolan and Hunter from my class because I see them displaying fairness not only in school but outside during Thrilling Thursday and on the playground. And just as a reminder, fairness is when we play by the rules, take turns and share, and also these guys look at all sides before deciding not to blame others. So I just want to again congratulate both Nolan and Hunter on being fair, and let's work today on being fair for our character counts. Thank you.
Please welcome Mrs. Streifels with a boy called Bat Trivia.
Good morning, St. Michael Elementary. Yesterday's trivia question was, what is the name of Bat's teacher? And the answer is Mr. Grayson. The trivia question for tomorrow is, what kind of animal is Baby Cakes? What kind of animal is Baby Cakes? And tonight's homework is to read chapter 11.
Thank you, Mrs. Strickland.
Please welcome Mrs. Hennies with Magic Mailbox and Reader of the Month.
All right, good morning, everyone. So we're going to go ahead and start with Magic Mailbox. And the question was part of I Love to Read Month. So what do you love most about reading? And today I'm really excited because we have two winners with us. We have Emma and we have Nicholas, and they're going to come and they're going to read us what they wrote about what they love most about reading. All right, so Emma, why don't you come start us out?
I love to read Raina Teismer books because I like that they're comics and I like that they're really long.
Perfect, thank you, Emma. And Nicholas, Emma, you can come stand over here if you want. Nicholas, do you want to come read yours? Perfect.
I love to read because some are funny, cute, and sometimes scary. These are some of my favorite books, Dogman, Noah, and a lot more. That's why I love to read.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Nicholas. And thank you, Emma. And I have a certificate and a pencil for both of you. Here you are. Right, congratulations. Our new question for Magic Mailbox is, if you could have any pet, what pet would you choose to have and why? So one more time, the new question is, if you could have any pet, what pet would you choose and why would you choose that pet? I look forward to reading those. Now we're going to go ahead and go through Reader of the Month, our list, and then our grade level winners. So starting with grade 1, we have from Mrs. Lindenfelser, Veda, from Mrs. Gullrap, Claire, from Mrs. Holes, Jackson P, from Mrs. Hinnenkamp, Wyatt J, from Mr. Hanson, Ruth K, and from Mrs. Damaris, Sophia W. Our grade level winner for first grade was Ruth from Mr. Hanson's room. Congratulations, Ruth. Second grade, from Mrs. Wendell, we have Avery E. From Mrs. Dulkey, Jason L. From Mrs. Brisson, Miles E. From Mrs. Al Rafai, Avery C. from Mr. Solom, Maddox M. And from Mrs. Schweifels, Cadence M. Our grade level winner is from Mrs. Wendell's class, Avery E. Congratulations. Now for grade 3. From Mr. Hanson, we have Noah S., Mr. Allerson, Gideon D., Mrs. Rabe, Braden O., Mrs. Johnson, Eric C., Mrs. Murfeld, Miliana J. Our grade level winner for 3rd grade was Gideon D. from Mr. Allerson's room. Congratulations. And now for 4th grade. From Mr. Ingebrigtsen's room, we have Ella V. From Mrs. Krupke, Luke L. From Mr. Smith, Everett P. From Mrs. Tauber, Violet D. From Mrs. Odegaard, Jason L. And from Mr. Hinsman, Weston G. And our grade level winner for 4th grade was from Mr. Smith's room. Congratulations to Everett P. If you are one of the winners for Reader of the Month, please make sure you stop down to the Media Center. Congratulations. And now back to our news anchors.
Now to Danny.
Fun fact of the day. Hippo slips are about 2 feet wide. Have a great day.